Welcome to another adventure in Las Vegas, Nevada. Today's casino is the Rio. It's an older casino back from way back in the day. And while we were exploring Fremont, we found out these older casinos pay out a lot more. So we're gonna give the Rio a try. Stay tuned, the adventures begin here. Right at the entrance we see Guy Fieri's El Burro Borracho. Holy guacamole, Guy Fieri's restaurant in Las Vegas. We got the poker tables here, slot machines to the back there. This place looks kind of abandoned. It's very empty. Maybe it gets busier inside, we'll see. We've made it inside to the casino area. This is pretty empty, I guess. Most people spend their time on the strip nowadays, which means these places might pay even more, hopefully. Let's see how much you can play this 1 cent game. There's a few of these. They're real scams. This is 1 cent, and then you gotta play by 100. It was Scammeroonie. $0.68. Woo! So, just like that, I lost $10, quick and easy. Instead of gambling a bit, I'm gonna go explore a bit, wander around the casino, see what I can find. Got a shoe shine service here available by the pool entrance, but it's too late, they're closed. So we might have to come tomorrow early because it's really close to where we're staying, like a 5-minute walk, and get ourselves a nice shoe shine. Right here in front of the Hash House a Go-Go. Look at this. Looks like a really old tractor of some sort or something. Or they... Looks like, I'm not 100% sure, but that's cool. It says Farm Works. Maybe it's some sort of really old school tractor. If you know exactly what it is, let me know in the comments. And here we have the Penn and Teller Theater. This is where Las Vegas famous magicians Penn and Teller perform every night at the Rio. And for the ladies, looks like Chippendales also performs here at the Rio. Look at this here, they got a Serenity O2 bar. For those of you who have no clue how it is, it's supposed to help you with hangovers and... Hey!
Interested in the O2 service? You're just checking it out?
Just looking at it for now, yeah. What is it anyway?
So it's basically aromatherapy. It helps with stress, anxiety, migraines, headaches, reduces hangovers, cures jet lag, gives you a little boost of energy as well as boost to your immune system. So right now you're breathing about 21% oxygen, and what this does is gives you that 30 to 40% oxygen boost.
Oh, cool.
15-minute breathing treatment for about $35. It definitely helps refresh.
So it's just in your nose, like
yeah, like a little disposable.
kind of like what you do at the hospital, yeah.
Yeah.
And this is prices.
Essential oils in order. It's tea tree, citrus, eucalyptus, and lavender.
Oh, wow. So it's a little bit of everything inside.
Yeah.
These are the prices. Oxygen service, 45 oxygen massage. Cool.
Yeah, we also offer the massages with all the massage products shown up to you here, from like handgun, shoulder massager, head
Nice.
massager, stuff like that.
That's awesome.
Yes, sir. And we also have the ultimate fed bed right over there. It uses water pressure to massage your entire backside from your shoulders to your feet.
Yeah, I've actually tried that one before. How much is that?
That one, the rates are 10 minutes, 15, 15 is 20, and 20 is 25.
All right.
That one's really worth it.
Yeah, I've had that before. It's good. It's good on the back. Let me find my family, see if they want to check it out. Definitely, yeah. Thank you. Midnight? Oh, great. Perfect. Thank you. So there you have it, the 411 on the oxygen bar. He explained it better than I could ever. The hydro water massage bed in the back. I don't know if I got it or not on video, but it's a bed where you lay down on. And water hits you on the back for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever you pay for. I forgot what he said. But yeah, it feels good. Maybe I'll try it tonight. We'll see. Check this out, guys. This is Carlo's Cake Shop Express. Oh, bake shop, not cake shop. Sorry, but it's a vending machine that has cakes. Look at that. It's like red velvet down there, possibly chocolate up there, some sort of rainbow one. Not too many options, but hey, that's cool. Oh, okay, so it's chocolate, red velvet, rainbow cake, and vanilla, which they don't seem to have at the moment. $8.95 a slice. Wow, that's pricey. Not sure what this is about, but caught my eye. It says Belize on it here at the Rio. Who knows what it is? It's by the Palacio Suites, which I believe are this is the way to the hotel room. Yeah, not gonna go in, but look at that. Wow, that is a fancy hallway. I've just been walking for a while. I'm like way in the back of the Rio. I didn't realize it's so huge. Look at that long hallway. And looks like it's a bunch of boardrooms. You can have your conventions, your meetings, whatever. It's all empty. Let's keep on exploring. See how far this goes. Who knew? I didn't expect the Rio to be this large. Look, it goes even further down that way. So it looks like we reached the end here. There's just a hallway there, and a hallway there, but they're all closed. Looks like it's nothing but meeting rooms, convention centers, whatever you want to call it. There's a cool echo back there. Let's head on back. This place is so big, they even have their own FedEx office inside the Rio. So way to the back of the Rio, they got the Masquerade bar. They got like a little fake town. I guess it's supposed to look like Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. I mean, that's what it's named after, right? Lots of stores. See if there's any cool ones to check out. It's actually pretty big in here to the back. Whole bunch of more slot machines. Whole bunch of stores. There's even an upstairs. We're gonna have to check that out. Look what they have way at the end. Kiss World. Gene Simmons Kiss World Rock Shop. Let's take a look inside, see what they have. Kiss pinball machine. You can get some rubber duckies. I guess it's Kiss inspired. I'm too young to know about Kiss. Whole bunch of like arcade games. Here, look at this. Kiss memorabilia. Kiss swag. You get Gene Simmons shirt, Moneybag t-shirt. Gene Simmons band shirt. That's awesome. Let's see what else they got in here. Hey, you get some Kiss guitar picks. That's awesome. Over here, look at that. Whoa. Paul Stanley's Kiss fireman hat. I guess that's the Paul Stanley shoes. It's all part of the Paul Stanley 1979 Dynasty tour. Well, he actually wore these on the tour, so those are worth a lot of money. All the records they got there. It's the Gene Simmons Museum. We're not gonna go in there because they want you to pay. Kiss magazines. Those are all the records that they won. Oh, and you can go in there, see? More Kiss stuff. But you gotta pay. I'm not paying. I'm sorry. Cool door. More Kiss memorabilia. It's cool if you're a Kiss fan. You can actually get Kiss action figures. Gene Simmons and his famous tongue. Kiss autographed football. Wow. And helmet. Look at that, even a Kiss drum. And these, what are they? These do not touch. Oh wow, they're cakes. Kiss cakes. Look at that. Cakes inspired by Kiss. Look at these up here. These shaped like the shoes that they wear. That is awesome. They even got a Kiss inspired miniature golf course. Wow, that is awesome. Right upstairs of the little Kiss memorabilia store, they got the Rock and Roll Chapel. You can get married like a rock star. Look at that. That is awesome. Who knows how much it costs? Doesn't say. But that's cool. I mean, who doesn't want to get married like a rock star? Got some mash burger over there. Looks like Chippendales performs up there. Definitely not going to that though. Let's keep exploring the upstairs. Look at that. Nice view of the casino below. And keep on walking these halls up here. More view of the casino. Looks like there's a tattoo shop somewhere up here. More view of the casino. It's a cool place to explore. I really enjoy exploring the casinos more than gambling in them. Because, I mean, gambling, what happens? You just lose money, you rarely win. But exploring, there's so many cool stuff happening at every single casino. Here's the tattoo shop. Count's Tattoo Company. It's closed. Looks very gothic though. It's a cool chopper inside. We'll see if we find anything else. Stay tuned. I didn't notice this when I was downstairs, but over there, it's a whole stage, see, where they put on performances and shows. Maybe they have bands performing, all kinds of stuff. Right there's where they control the lights, the sound. And over there is more of the casino. hang out with the angels up here, and enjoy the view of the casino. Got the bar right below us. We found a great spot here at the Rio. We're not even gambling, we're all just sitting around, talking. Waitress keeps coming, that's our first beer. Got two more down here, one I'm drinking, a new one I brought. And as she brings it, she asks us if we want her to bring another round when she comes back around. Great service, Rio. Definitely come here if you're looking to get drunk for super cheap. $1 tip for each beer. So, it's not bad.